I have always wanted to be a knight since I was 5 because that's where my love of history came to me.
English Heritage is putting the children in charge this summer as part of our Kids Takeover campaign. We've appointed 8-year-old Thea as our first ever Child Executive Officer. She has lots of enthusiasm, real sense of leadership, she loves history, but above all, she has a really generous heart. We think she'll be the perfect CEO.
I think I was picked because I have passion, drive, energy and enthusiasm for my love of history. As a CEO, I will try to encourage children to have a love of history and have fun.
Thea's wish was to dress up as a knight in shining armour. We've just made that happen.
I was really excited in the car. I was like, I'm going. It was like it wasn't true.
We're going to try, with Thea's help, to make other children's wishes come true. We've now drawn up a history wish list ranging from being king or queen for a day to battling pirates, and with Thea's help we're going to try and make those wishes come true.
We are so proud. She really wants to make this summer the biggest summer of fun for as many kids as possible.
What I love about history is there's something new to learn every day and you can verify different artefacts from the different eras. I'm looking forward to bringing excitement to the role and also seeing the people's faces when they're doing the events. I've got a history joke. When the Romans are gone, it was called the Dark Ages because the Romans took all the lights.
To find out more about the History Wish List and our Kids Takeover campaign, just visit the English Heritage website.